recipe is in the description below. You want to take a stick of butter or margarine softened, and then regular brown sugar. To do brown sugar, just put your measuring cup in and make sure that it's packed. Brown sugar is always measured as packed. And then we have our homemade vanilla and our sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, I love this stuff. Now, I mix all these first, just to kind of get them incorporated so there's no lumps when I put the flour in. If you have any clumps, just push it against the side of your bowl and it will flatten. Then we're gonna add our flour and part of our chocolate chips. Now, I like the mini chocolate chips because they go further, and instead of using 12 ounces, I only use 6 ounces for the entire recipe. For more money-saving recipes and tips, check out our Dining on a Dime cookbook. It's 25% off right now. The link is in the description below. Then you're going to take an 8x8 pan, line it with parchment paper, and just to make sure it doesn't stick, I spray mine with a little bit of cooking spray. Then we're gonna put our cookie dough in the pan. The sweetened condensed milk is what holds all of this together. So make sure it's sweetened condensed milk and not evaporated milk. Okay, now you can just leave it like this if you want, or if you want, you can make a peanut butter topping with peanut butter and chocolate chips. Just take your peanut butter and the second portion of your chocolate chips and melt it together in the microwave. And then we're going to pour it on top of the dough. Then just stir your chocolate chips and your peanut butter. Oh my goodness, that looks good. Then you're just gonna drizzle it all over top. Now this isn't in the recipe, but because one can never have too much chocolate, I'm gonna sprinkle a few chocolate chips on top. Then we're gonna chill this for several hours, at least 3 to 4, or overnight. Look at that yummy goodness, no bake. Cookie dough, yum. Now this is really rich. Yeah, probably could stay just a little bit longer, but look at that. Oh